Second time I got IP flooded. Second time I got kicked out again. I'll tell him to invite. Fucking cheaters, man. Cheater. Alright, I'm gonna join again. You're gonna see. I'm gonna be lagged out again. I joined for the second time. Look, I can't even pick the side. They kicked out again. I don't know if you can see the server connection timed out. This is the third time. That's the third time I try to go in and it wouldn't let me. I'm gonna tell them again, invite. You just keep on lagging me out so they go in. I'm gonna tell them, cheater. Alright, as you can see, I got the invite from Medusa. I'm gonna try to join. As you can see, look, Dyable, Fluzty. Search and destroy on underground last map. I basically cannot play the game, cannot play the map because they keep on lagging me out. Alright, 3-3. They're lagging me out again, I believe. Look, I can't join. There you go. Again, server connection timed out. Ridiculous, man. It's been happening since we were 2-0, winning 2-0. Now it's 3-3. I'll tell them to invite again. I'll tell them all on tape. Recorded. I'm sending that to the IP flooding team. Recorded. GG, good game. As you can see, multiple times, man. Multiple times. I'll tell Medusa, my partner, to invite again. Maserati, Dyable. These guys are 25-2. No wonder they 25-2 because they IP flood kids, man. See what you vote? GG, thank you for win. Yeah, of course, thank you for win. You won because you IP flooded. IP flooded.